Get that sneeze out of you. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, sneezy. He's gonna sneeze. Is that it? You gotta have more in you than that. Don't look at the light, look at me. You got it all out of you?
Where are they coming from?
He's allergic to comfy sofas.
Allergic to me.
Are you done sneezing?
Are you done now? You guys open up your nose?